Here's a great song by British songwriter, guitar player, singer extraordinaire Richard Thompson, who's been around since the 60s and is just actually coming out with a new album, which is, from what I hear, really, really good. And most of his albums are really, really great. He's just one of the best out there. A bit dark, but there's a lot of darkness out there, especially right now. Anyway, this is one of his great, great tunes called 1952 Vincent Black Lightning. It's about a guy, a girl, and a motorcycle. Yeah. What else do you need? Really. So here we go. Said Red Molly to James, that's a fine motorbike. A girl could feel special on any such like. So James to Red Molly, well, my hat's off to you. It's a black Vincent Lightning, 1952. And I've seen you on the corners, in the cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color schemes. He pulled her on behind, down to Box Hill, they did ride. So James to Red Molly, here's a ring for your right hand. I tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. Fought the law since I was 17. I've robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now I'm 21 years now, might make 22. I don't mind dying for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, I give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, down Red Molly, Sergeant McCoury. Taking young James, D for armed robbery. Shotgun blazed in his chest, nothing much behind. Come down Red Molly to his dying bedside. ride to the hospital. There wasn't much left. He's running out of road, running out of breath. But he smiled, see her cry. Said, I give you my Vincent to ride. James, in my opinion, ain't nothing better in this world than a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. The Nortons and Indians and Greaves, they won't do. They don't have the soul of a Vincent 52. He reached for her hand and he gave her the keys. Said, I don't have any further use for these. I see angels and Ariels, leather and in chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. And he kissed her once and died.